next weekend. Check your local listings for time. We move on to another man who has won a world championship. It was back in 2004. Mike Lee is named, going up against Misfire. You saw it's a rematch, Justin.
Yep. Twice he's had him. He's been 87 and 88.
That's a Mike Lee we haven't seen in a while, guys.
It has been a while. Good job for Mike Lee. He got bucked off last night, but third time, and he's 3 for 3 on that bull Misfire from Boyd Floyd and Paradise Farms.
Well, if we could just get Mike, in and out of an event a couple weekends in a row without getting him bounced around, I think we could get him back to his old self again. He's just been kind of beaten, battered every weekend. He's just taken such a beating over and over again that he hasn't had much time to heal other than the 3 or 4 days before each show. And so this is great to see him just come out here, ride like Mike Lee does, just so solid, so technically correct, so strong, and then step off and get away from the bull clean.
Certainly Mike Lee does not misfire on that ride. He gets the best of the bull, 87.5, good for third place overall. A very good chance we will see him again.